And that old joke, everybody talks about the new 70s, 50s, and all that stuff.
It's a phrase. I don't think so.
I could get a disease tomorrow. I could, drop dead tomorrow.
Oh, Jesus, God, no.
And the idea of putting someone in prison, and what happens is, Jonathan, everything about their background gets put on hold.
Hey, back off, big man. That may work with the chicks, but not with me.
I can't even say the age I'm going to be. I can't even get it out of my mouth. I can't. I mean, I swear to God. I can't. I mean, I swear to God. I can't. I mean, I swear to God. It's like, no. Come on, that can't be true.
Oh, that was the grossest thing I've ever heard in my life. Let's go.